The year is 1987. Lethal Weapon has hit theaters, Ronald Reagan is president, two of the best power metal albums have been released, and my favorite Supreme Court case ever happened. Our story begins with William Conover and Anthony Tanner being convicted of attempting to defraud the United States and mail fraud. Basically, two crimes that give you absolutely no street cred. The court proceedings go normally, but afterwards Tanner's attorney is given some shocking information. The jury were all high out of their minds the entire time. According to the jurors' testimonies, jurors consumed between 1 and 3 pitchers of beer during various court recesses. The jury foreman drank a liter of wine on 3 separate occasions. Some of the jurors regularly smoked weed during the trial. 2 jurors did cocaine multiple times. 1 juror sold another juror a pound of weed at the courthouse.
But Black Dynamite, I sell drugs to the community.
And jurors brought drugs and drug paraphernalia into the courthouse multiple times. After hearing these testimonies, Tanner's lawyer filed motions for a hearing on juror misconduct, which the court denied. This eventually got all the way up to the Supreme Court, where it was narrowly decided 5-4 that the lower courts were correct in denying a hearing on juror misconduct, because the jurors' testimonies didn't invalidate their decisions. The dissenting opinion by George Thurgood Marshall and the Destroyers was that an intoxicated jury wasn't a competent jury, and that this violated Tanner's Sixth Amendment rights to a fair and impartial jury. But, in conclusion, jury duty's boring.
Look at him! He's obviously guilty! Innocent people don't have hair like that!
And you have legal precedent saying it's okay for you to spice up your experience with whatever substances you want.